Because I want to share with everybody what you guys are doing. Right rudder, right rudder. No hands. No hands, right rudder. There you go. Keep it right rudder until you get back on the runway.
Oh my goodness. I thought you said that was better than ours.
Okay, now a little left rudder maybe to stay right in the middle. Stay on the runway. Right rudder. Okay, now what you can do is you can grab the yoke and slowly pull back.
Slowly.
Lower your nose, lower your nose, lower your nose. Very good. Roll to your right a little bit. Roll to your right. Roll to your right. Roll to your right. Roll to your right. Roll to your right.
The boys are ready.
You know what, ma'am, you listen to everybody but the pilot. I'm saying I said roll to the right. I said roll to the right. You can roll to the right.
No, the thing is, the boys were literally yelling the whole time. When we were getting that piece from the back, that's not how they
What is so? But some.
I'll have 4 chances.
Okay, everybody have a seat. Everybody have a seat.